Welcome back. Now, once you signed up for a plan, it's a good idea to go inside of your profile and then to look at your email notifications. And you'll want to get daily notifications because this will tell you exactly what's happening inside of your Zapier account. For example, you'll get a daily summary of how many tasks you've used for a specific day, as well as how many specific Zaps you are using and how many Zapier considers to be active inside of your account. This will keep you abreast of what you need to do when you're using Zapier integrations at the limits of your account. You'll also want to get alerts on any specific failed actions inside of Zapier. This is where you can make changes to a specific Zap if it's not working by clicking directly on editing a specific Zap to determine your existing steps. And of course, all other emails are going to be optional in terms of what it is that you are doing. You're also going to see an advanced tab. You can enable two-factor authentication. You can also authorize specific applications to work with your Zapier account. Now, this is not an integration. What you're looking at here is you're allowing certain applications in order to have access to your Zapier history. You can determine and leave enabled the SSL check, and this will keep you from integrating with applications or your site when an SSL is out of line. You can choose to sign in with your Google account, or you can continue to use your email in order to access Zapier. You do have control over your data, which you can export, and you can delete inside of the Zapier settings. You can look inside of your billing and plan area to determine what you're using in Zapier and what it will cost you in order to upgrade. Now, as stated in an earlier video, everything depends on when you start your plan as to what your pricing will be when you want to upgrade and if you keep your plan current. You can add team members to your Zapier account. This does require an additional element to the plan, and this is going to cost more for you to add individuals. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.